Hey, this is John Boucard. This is a video of a Indiegogo campaign I was part of with Gillette Labs. It's a heated razor. It's called the Heated Razor. This is really awesome. So we got the prototype. We'll pull the prototype out and see. We'll get started. And it has a beautiful, I would say it's not a prototype, it's probably pre-production. It's heavy to the touch. It's got a metal strip that heats up to give you a nice hot close shave. It's got that little razor on the end, and it's got this new ejection mechanism for the new type of blade, because each blade has a metal strip that heats up. Probably feels good on the face. So let's see what's in it. It's very well done. I like this gold pearlescent area. So, you know, you feel like you want to touch. That's how it ejects. Interesting. Attaches pretty easy. I imagine it'll go into at a limited edition. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a limited edition, but I'm sure it's because of the Indiegogo campaign. Gillette Labs 4 cartridges, and it says pre-release. P&G, Gillette. I love P&G. Great to do business with. So then, beyond the heated razor, we've got a base. There's a little scuff on the base, though. And then there's a plug-in for USB and instructions. And a little extra bag, it looks like, for that you got with it, which is probably an extra. It's an extra, that's the mechanism. So if you eject, this is important to show. So if you eject the used one, this looks like the mechanism that it's easy to, looks like it'll slide in and pull out a new razor. It's got a little rubberized lip, that heated element also, and it looks like the head can, this is very interesting design because it moves around and along the face. So you can imagine that heated strip being very, very, it's probably a great feeling on the side of the face. Okay, so let's see what this looks like and turns on. Move this out of the way. And what we'll do is, it looks like it fits. We'll plug it in a minute, but it looks like, if you see on the bottom, there's a little track, and that just sits like that in a magnetic base. It sits up just like that. So it connects and sits up and charges. Let me pull this camera up a little bit. Let's go back. There you go. We'll go. And then I'll plug it in. So I plugged it into the outlet. Just make sure that it looks like it's round. There's a rounded end, plugs in. You can see that it is a lighted base. And then when you plug it in, it'll probably attach and light up. There you go. It's great. Nice subtle LED, nice subtle light. Looks really great. See if I can zoom in on that for you. Nice dual LED on the base and on the razor, the heated razor, to let you know that they're both working and they're charging. Excellent touch. And then the instructions say that there's a little setup here, how to plug everything in and get it going. It's great. And then from instruction standpoint, let's see. It says charge for 60 minutes right out of the gate. That's what everybody always misses. You have to charge it up. Looks like you press the power to activate in step 2. Step 3, to adjust temperature, hold the power button down until the light changes color. That's great. Imagery, number 4, charge. And you can only use exclusively with Gillette Labs cartridges. So it has to be these special cartridges that work with it. So let's see, I wonder, I'll remove it from the base and press and hold. And you can see It turns on, and I hold the power button. Probably needs to be charged. Yeah, that's right. It needs to be charged for 60 minutes. So we'll let it charge up. Here's a video of how to operate the unit. So I can press and hold, and it'll turn a color. You can see it's like a yellow color, yellow-orange. But if I press and hold it again, it changes to a red color, more of an orange red. And if I press and hold again, it'll change back to different temperature states. And that's how you change the heating temperature of the razor. And I can see if it is warm. It is warm to the touch. Wow, it is a little hot. Wow, that's cool. There's the first piece of the demo. So I get a picture of that here.